歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬陽。喺美國，婦女遇到婚姻、子女照顧以及就業等等嘅問題，點可以尋求幫助呢？下邊係我哋嘅記者楊傑夫帶大家去到美國馬里蘭州蒙哥馬利縣，睇呢個縣政府點樣去幫助婦女，
協助婦女掌握信息、擁有能力並且取得成就。呢一個係蒙哥馬利縣婦女委員會嘅使命。同美國首都華盛頓相鄰嘅蒙哥馬利縣，縣政府嘅婦女政策係促進婦女權利同埋婦女進步。縣婦女委員會喺1972年成立，由15名公民組成嘅顧問小組指導工作。婦委會執行主任沃恩普拉斯解釋話
：The Commission for Women was formed to be the voice of every woman in Montgomery County. We try to reach out to the women who are disadvantaged, to the new women in our county, the immigrant women in our county. We try to speak for the girls of our county. We try to speak for the elderly women in our county. We try to bring all those voices together and form an agenda that will serve all the women in this county.
婦女委員會嘅工作包括提供各種課程、學習班同埋諮詢輔導服務，內容包括就業、理財、移民同埋婚姻問題。好多婦女為咗撫養子女而暫停工作。
I've been staying at home with my son for 4 years, and I'm looking forward to starting my career again.
當佢哋準備重新開始工作嘅時候，婦女委員會就會提供幫助。
What you think would be work for you, your ideal scenario.
婦委會就業諮詢中心主任拉姆伯話：婦女情況改善就等於係大家情況都得到改善。
As women get to move ahead economically and achieve better educational levels, the whole family benefits and the whole community benefits.
婦委會開設嘅一啲諮詢講座，討論婚姻問題，參加者可以了解到佢哋享有邊一啲嘅法律權益，包括分居、離婚、子女監護、贍養費等方面嘅權益。而根據法律，又可以點樣懲處嗰啲對婦女造成人體傷害嘅人？諮詢暨就業中心職員海洛爾德話：身陷困境嘅婦女可以嚟到呢度訴苦同埋尋求幫助。
Everything that's told us is confidential, and so women who come in here feel that it's a safe place to come and talk about personal problems, problems with their children, relationship problems, employment problems.
政府同埋公民合作，共同實現不分性別、人人機會平等嘅目標。蒙哥馬利縣婦女委員會樹立咗榜樣。不過佢哋雖然努力多年，呢一啲目標仲未全部實現。
非政府組織喺全球事務當中扮演嘅角色越嚟越重要，涉及嘅範圍廣泛。支持者就話非政府組織係人類良心，而批評者就認為呢啲組織係外國政府嘅傀儡。下邊係我哋嘅記者弗蘭切斯基嘅報導，今日播出第一部分。
最近幾年來，世界各地猛然出現成千上萬個非政府組織。印度就有至少1萬個非政府組織，而俄羅斯就有40萬個。呢啲組織正喺度向非洲擴展。美國估計有200萬個非政府組織或者係非營利組織。美國和平研究所嘅非政府組織專家奧爾表示，非政府組織確保咗文明社會有迅速嘅恢復能力。
Allows citizens to take responsibility for how their society is performing, allows citizens to talk to their government in organized ways. And in an open system, there are organized ways even on very difficult issues.
加拉格爾係美國聯合慈善基金會會長兼執行長。
We think that what makes a great community is good government, a good business environment where good jobs get created, and then a good voluntary sector.
聯合慈善基金會係美國最早成立嘅私人自願組織之一。呢個組織喺1887年由2名牧師同埋1名猶太傳教士創立。加拉格爾話：聯合慈善基金會同商業同宗教領袖合作。
Could be education, could be lack of affordable housing, could be teenage drug and alcohol abuse. And then what we do is we work together with all the different interests in a community to devise strategies to try to alleviate some of those problems. We raise money, and then we fund projects and programs that deal with the social issues in a community.
但係當志願組織從單個私人嗰度獲得大筆嘅捐款或者接受政府補貼嘅時候呢，就往往會受到批評。洛根係華盛頓卡托研究所嘅政治分析家。
In the past, I would say 10 or 15 years, there has been an increasing role for what I would really not call non-governmental organizations, but sort of quasi-governmental organizations. I think it really does raise questions in the minds of people around the world about whether or not, for example, an institution would, say, advance a worthy political goal if it were at odds with the U.S. national interest abroad.
以上係記者法蘭切斯基嘅專題報導。
好啦，今日嘅節目時間有夠，多謝各位收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我任敬陽，我哋下星期再見。